How to block anyone from viewing your Snapchat story. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can block anyone from viewing your story on Snapchat. Now, you can create a new snap or you can add already existing pictures from your memories or your camera roll. Once here, tap on Send to. On the screen, you can find New Story option. Click on it and here you'll get an option of new private story or new shared story. On your new shared story, everyone can view your story, but since you wanna block particular persons from watching your story, click on new private story. Now, here you can choose who can view your private story and only you will be able to add to this story and invite other friends. You can click and select the friends that you want. You don't need to select the ones that you want to block from viewing your story. This way you can block anyone or you can avoid anyone from watching your Snapchat story. Hope you like this video, like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below.